Hi friends, this is Meredith with Organic Lines Art and Design, and today I'm out here in my little garden and we are doing our fourth video on Glimmers. So why we're out in the garden is to gather some glimmer scents. So mint and lemon balm and lavender, and we'll see what else we find, but we will be preserving them. Oop, there's a bee on me. We'll be preserving them in some cute little bottles. So we have these glimmers throughout the year. All right. So here you can see we have some spearmint, and then right next to the spearmint is our lemon balm. And then we have some catmint over here. And I'm going to leave the catmint alone and just grab some spearmint and some lemon balm. So I'm new at this, but from what I gather, capturing scent is super duper easy. And all you need is a little bottle, and we actually have to paint this or make it dark somehow. And that helps preserve the scent rather than sunlight breaking it down. So you need a little bottle. You need either vegetable oil or extra virgin olive oil, and I have both. So we'll be using both and seeing how each of them work. And then you need your fresh or dried flowers or herbs. So already that smells super duper good. So I have my spearmint, my lemon balm, my lavender, my sage, and then my combo one. And again, they look really cool inside these adorable little bottles, but we have to protect them. So I'm going to be covering them with a layer of gesso and then adding some artwork to them. So let's do. did a little illustration using some markers. I'm not sure if I'm totally happy with it, but I can always just paint over it or use the other sides. So quick and easy, super fun, and a wonderful way to capture glimmers through scent.